Welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I'm going to show you a few Loro Piana pieces from this current collection. Try them on, see how they look. Hi everyone, welcome to my first look. So this is a size small, runs a little bit big, beyond comfortable. This is maybe the quiet luxury thing, but really comfortable. And I'll show you the leggings. These are a medium. I like them to be a little bit loose because wool gets itchy to me. Plus I don't like my leggings tight, but super cute outfit, great for cold weather. Honestly, I think I like it more than Chanel. I'll show you the next piece. So as you may know, you've seen my other video showing you the small version of this bag. It's a 27. So this is how it looks on. Not shot here. Crossbody, definitely large for a crossbody bag, I think, but it could work well as a shoulder bag. The color, though, is awesome. That's my style, not my size, but I'm going to show you all what it looks like. So the next thing I'll be showing you are these little booties. This is a size medium. As many of you know, me and feet are not having it. We're not friends anymore these days. So I will not be able to show you. But if you are looking for these, they're huge. Probably a smaller, extra small, but I have a size 5 foot. So that's as much as I can show you. Okay, so it feels like Christmas. It feels like a lot like holidays, but really comfortable, lightweight, and just feels like you're being given a hug. Same thing with the light white sweater, the off-white. I just love the feel. A couple more pieces. So this is the waffle cardigan. I think I like it better than the white one. I don't know if I like it better than this one. To try it again. And I have these really cool shorts. I'm thinking of putting them over the leggings, so I'll give that a try. Okay, all of you fashion experts out there, what do you think? I think no, I don't think so, but maybe the shorts on their own, we'll give that a try. Okay, so I don't like these shorts over the leggings, but I think with this sweater it's pretty cute, and these by themselves, they just make your body look, I mean, my body doesn't look like this in real life, so they definitely kind of contorted or twisted up the view, which is not good. So that's a pass for me just for fit. But we have some pieces to look at.